Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to change the aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. So let's start the video. At first, go to the top menu, click on Sequence and then go to Sequence Settings. This is where you can adjust the frame size. Under the video section, you will see frame size. Change the width and height depending on the platform you need. Once everything's done, hit enter on your keyboard and Premiere Pro will warn you. Just hit OK again. And there you go. Now some clips may not fit the new aspect ratio. Select a clip, go to the Effect Controls panel and under Motion, use Scales and Position to make sure your subject is framed properly. If you don't want to adjust clips manually, you can go to Sequence and then Auto Reframe Sequence. This feature automatically reframes your video for different aspect ratio like vertical or square, which saves a lot of time. And that's it. That's how you can easily change the aspect ratio of your video in Premiere Pro. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.